Hi, my name is Tolu and I run an online tutoring business where I tutor math and science to kids aged 12 to 18 using the British and American curriculum. That's what I do. I heard about the fellowship program through an event that they organized. I think it was during the International Women's Day celebration. So they held this event and they talked about their organization and how they were trying to empower women and get them into tech. So they talked about the scholarship. I didn't even pay so much attention to it, but I went ahead and I applied. Didn't expect much out of it. I was really surprised to hear back from them, and I was actually really excited because after going through their page to see what they're about, I found out that the Bulb is actually a really good tech hub where they're really doing so much to impact young Africans and empower them to and upskill them in the technological industry. So I decided to train as a data analyst, one, because of my love for data. I think I would say I'm a born analyst. So I think I would say I was a born analyst, and eventually through research, obviously, I eventually found out that that was my passion and that was what I was actually interested in. So I love data. I'm highly interested in understanding a wide variety of data to try to gain meaningful insights and develop solutions to various problems across various industries. My training experience has been really incredible. It's been awesome. And it's really been amazing. I've met a lot of wonderful people. I have amazing tutors, teachers, or facilitators. They're really amazing. They really take the time to make you understand the core concept behind what you're learning. So it's not just about, oh, you're doing data analytics. It's why are you doing data analytics? It's what exactly is the reason for what you're doing. So it's not just a generic program. Okay, I would say as a data analyst, one of the challenges I face is that I want to work with so much data and I just have to pick one, like a niche basically. So I think that would be my major problem. So far, that's another positive thing behind this program. It's more of a hands-on experience. So we're constantly being given projects to work on, and you get to do it by yourself. I've worked on a lot of projects so far since I started. Right now, I'm actually working on a marketing data, trying to understand the customer base for a particular business. I think it's an e-commerce business. So trying to understand their purchasing habits, their purchasing power, and it's a really interesting data to work with. I've been able to come up with so many questions to ask of the data, and it just helps me understand life in general and understand people in general and people's thinking and how people behave. So I think that's one really interesting thing about the fact that we get to work on data hands-on. Also, my advice to young Africans out there that are interested in tech is that they should not give up. Because I think a lot of people have this fear that tech is difficult, it's hard to get into, coding is hard, and all of that. There's so many myths behind getting into tech. So I'll just like to tell them to not give up. You have to start small. So always start small. Never try to start big. Always start small from the very foundation, and eventually you get there. I mean, I was once a beginner, and now I think I've come pretty far. And I think it's possible. I think anything is possible, whatever you want to do. Also find that thing that you're interested in. Don't just join a particular track in tech because everyone is in tech. So decide on what you're actually interested in and go for it. And the Bulb Africa is actually here to help you with that. They're amazing here. The facilitators are wonderful. The environment is conducive for learning. It's such a beautiful experience to be here, and I would say if you're looking for a bootcamp to enroll in, the Bulb Africa has got you covered. So